In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play ARK with your friends on the Nintendo Switch. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, I want to make a quick disclaimer and say that as you can see, I am recording this video on the Windows version of ARK Survival Evolved, but the process that I'm going to teach you in this video will work for your Nintendo Switch. I'm only recording the video on my computer because I don't have access to a Nintendo Switch to get footage of ARK in there. So, if you are on Switch, unlike other platforms, you cannot host a non-dedicated session, so the only alternative you have to play together with your friends on Nintendo Switch on ARK is to select Join ARK from the main menu and join one of the official servers listed in the big servers list that you see here. Of course, these are much more limited and you won't have as much control as you wish over the game settings, but you can still sort through the maps. You can choose whichever map you and your friends want to play, the proper game mode, and then choose by paying or lease our most populated servers. Sadly, since Nintendo Switch doesn't offer a way to host a non-dedicated session like other platforms as of today, you will need to use one of these official servers. Just remember to filter it by the settings you wish, and you and your friends are going to be able to play together when you join the same server by using the numbers listed here. The only other alternative you have besides joining one of the official servers listed, if you wish to have a private server for you and your friends only, is to buy an ARK server hosting from Nitrado. As you can see, you can choose Nintendo Switch as a platform, but this is a paid solution. However, this will work if you only want to play with your friends and no one else. The server is also highly customizable, so you can manage it however you like after you rent a server from Nitrado. I hope I was able to help you on how to play ARK with friends on Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.